Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In today's video, from mathematics subject, sequences and series topic we are going to continue. In our previous videos children, up to 22nd question we have already discussed. Now let's start with the next question, 23rd question. And the question is, let TR be the rth term of an AP for R equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. If for some positive integers m and n, we have T infinity value is 1 by n, Tn 1 by m, then Tmn equals to how much? So here Tr is the rth term of AP, where R value starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. It continues up to infinity, and T infinity term is 1 by n, and Tn term is 1 by m. Then what about Tmnth term? So here children, so actually in the question we have some mistake children. It's not infinity, it's Tm, because up to infinity means we cannot guess the infinite term. So that's why it is Tm. Please change it as Tm. Tm equal to 1 by n, Tn equal to 1 by m. Then what about Tmn? So here given Tm equal to 1 by n, Tn equal to 1 by m. So Tm minus Tn, Tm minus Tn, actually it is 1 by n minus 1 by m, like this. But if you apply the formula of Tm is a plus m minus 1 into d. The formula of Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. Because of minus, all the symbols will change. Minus a, minus n, minus of n minus 1 into d. So a plus m into d, md, r plus a minus a gets cancelled. M into d, md, minus 1 into d, minus d, minus n into d, minus nd, minus into minus plus 1 into d, d, minus d plus d cancel, md minus nd. If you take d as common, m minus n, d will come. But Tm minus Tn equal to 1 by n minus 1 by m according to given values. So these two will be equal. These two values will be equal. These two values will be equal. If we take LCM on the right hand side, it is equal to n minus m by mn. So n minus m by mn. So m minus n, and actually this is m minus n children. This is not n minus m. This is m minus n, because m into 1 m, n into 1 n. This is m minus n. M minus 1 m minus n gets cancelled. D equal to 1 by mn. So Tm minus Tn equal to, so what we will get? So D value we are getting here, but Tm minus Tn equal to, we have the formula m minus n into d. So m minus n into d, there is some mistake. 1 minute children. So they have taken what Tmn, they have taken Tmn minus Tm, Tmn minus Tm. Why they have taken Tmn value, we have to find. Tmn. So we have got D value here, Tmn minus Tmn. Tmn value a plus mn minus 1 into d, minus Tm is a plus m minus 1 into d. If we simplify, a plus mn into d, mn d minus 1 into d, d. Here we have minus, symbols will change, minus a, minus into plus, minus, minus m into d, minus md, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus, plus 1 into d, d. a gets cancelled, dd gets cancelled, mn d minus md. If we take d as common, we will get mn minus m into d, mn minus m into d. And in the place of d, we can keep this 1 by mn, 1 by mn. And Tm value, already we know Tm value is 1 by n. Tm value is 1 by n. So what we can do here, children, if we simplify it, it is equal to, this part is equal to mn by mn minus m by mn. This cancel, 1 minus m gets cancelled, 1 by n. So this value is equal to 1 minus 1 by n. And Tmn, let's take as it is. And Tm value 1 by n. So here this is Tmn. So Tmn value, this 1 by n will go towards right hand side. 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 by n. 1 by n gets cancelled. Tmn equals to 1. Tmn equals to 1. So option C is correct. Next one, 24th. If the sum of the first 2n terms of 2, 5, 8 and so on, this sequence is equal to sum of first n terms of another sequence, 59, 57, 59, 61 and so on, then n is equal to what? Sum of 2n terms of first series equal to sum of n terms of second series. Then what is the value of n? So here this is n times, this is 2n times. So let's take this series first. In this series, a value is 57, d value is t2 minus t1, which is equal to 2. And Sn formula, sum of n terms, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If we substitute the values, it is equal to n by 2 into 112 plus 2n. Or if we divide with 2, n into 56 plus n. And in case 2, if we take this series, a is 2n, d is 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Sum of 2n terms. In the place of n, if we take 2n, sum of 2n terms equal to S2n equal to 2n by 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d. In the place of n, we have taken 2n. So 2 gets cancelled, n. 2 into a value 2, 4, 2n minus 1 into d. So n into 4 plus, here d value how much? 3. 3 into 2n, 6n. 3 into 1, 3. 4 minus 3 equal to plus 1. N into 6n plus 1. But according to data, sum of n terms equal to sum of 2n terms. So these two values are equal. So these two values are equal. These two values are equal. So nn gets cancelled. 56 plus n equal to 6n plus 1. Or if n comes this side, 6n minus n equal to 5n. If 1 goes that side, 56 minus 1 equal to 55. Or n equal to 55 by 5, which is equal to 11. So 11 is the answer. Next one, 25th question. If roots of the equation x cube minus 12x square plus 39x minus 28 equal to 0 are in AP, then its common difference how much? If the roots of this equation, this cubic equation, are in AP, then its common difference how much? So the given cubic polynomial is this one. F of x equal to x cube minus 12x square plus 39x minus 28. Let calculate f1 value. Means in the place of x we are keeping 1. Then after substituting we are getting 0. If f of 1 is 0, then x minus 1 is a factor of f of x, or 1 is a root of f of x. After finding one root, so we can find the other roots here. Let's divide the coefficients of the given cubic polynomial with x equal to 1. The coefficients are x cube means 1x cube 1 minus 12, 39 minus 28. Let's divide with the x equal to 1. So we have to take 0 under the first coefficient. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. 1 into 1 equal to 1. Minus 12 plus 1 equal to minus 11. 1 into minus 11, minus 11. 39 minus 11, 28. 1 into 28, 28. Minus 28 plus 28, 0. So this is the remainder. With the coefficients in the remainder, we can frame the equation. So 1x square minus 11x plus 28 equals to 0. And this one again can be splitted. This expression again can be splitted into two factors. Here, if you multiply a and c, 1 into 28, the product is 28. We need two numbers such that their product is 28 and sum is minus 11. So we can take minus 7 and minus 4. So we can split minus 11x as minus 7x and minus 4x. So that it will be equal to product 28 and sum will be equal to minus 11. So we can take common. After factorization, we will get x minus 7, x minus 4 equal to 0, or x equal to 4, x equal to 7. Like this, we have got three factors. One is x equal to 1, another one is x equal to 4, third one is x equal to 7. Now they have given these three roots are in AP. 1, 4, 7 are in AP. And their common difference is T2 minus T1, 4 minus 1 equal to 3. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. But if you take terms as 7, 4, 1, then common difference will be minus 3. Common difference will be minus 3. Okay. So that's why common difference will be plus or minus 3. Plus or minus 3. So option C is correct. Next one. The number of terms of the series 579 and so on that must be taken in order to have sum of 1020 is. For this sequence, if we take how many terms, the sum will be equal to 1020. That we have to find. So the given sequence is 579 and so on, where a equals to 5, common difference is 2. Sn, sum of n terms is 1020. Sum of n terms formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t, which is equal to 1020. So n by 2 into 5 plus n minus 1 into 2 equal to 1020. So n by 2 into, after simplification, what we will get? N into 4n plus 1, n equal to 1020. Or n square plus 4n minus 1020 equal to 0. If you multiply AC, product is 1020. To be split into two terms, sum is equal to middle term. We can take 34 and 30. Because here AC is 1 into minus 1020 minus 1020. We can take plus 34 minus 30. So that product is equal to minus 1020 and sum is equal to plus 4. So we can write it as n plus 34, n minus 30 after factorization, where n equal to 30, n equal to minus 34. But number of terms never be negative. So this n equal to minus 34, no need to consider. So number of terms is 30. The sum of 30 terms is 1020. So option B is right. Next one. 27. The number of common terms to the two sequences 17, 21, 25 and so on up to 417 and another sequence 16, 21, 26 and so on up to 466. So here the number of common terms in this first sequence and this second sequence, that number of common terms we have to find out. Because here if you observe here 17 plus 4, 21, 21 plus 4, 25. We are adding plus 4 here. But here 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 5, 26. Here 20 plus 4 is added for every term. Here plus 5 is added to form the next term. Means first common term is 21. After that which term will be common means? After that which term will be common means? Here 4, 5. The LCM is 20. Means after that plus 20 we have to add. 41 will be common. Next plus 20. 61 will be common. 61 will be common. So the common numbers are 21, 41, 61, 81. 81. Up to 100, we will get this one. From 100 to 200, 101, 121, 141, 161, 181, 5 terms. Next 5 terms. Next 5 terms. But here this one, it is up to 417 only. It is up to 466. So here only 401 will be common. After that 421 will be common, but it is greater than 417. So up to 401 we have these common terms. These common terms. Here 4, 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1. So total 20 common terms are there. 20 common terms are there. Next one. 28th question. The number of 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. Which are divisible by 3. 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. The 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3 are, so normally they have asked 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. So actually if we take from 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, all 3 multiples up to 99, they are divisible by 12. They are divisible by 3. But number of 2-digit numbers they have asked. First 2-digit number divisible by 3 is 12 actually. So we have 12, 15, 18 and so on up to 99. Only these numbers are divisible by 3. These are the 2-digit numbers divisible by 3. So we should not consider from 3. We have to consider from 12. So then A value will be 12 and D value will be 3 and Tn will be 99. Same this method we have to follow. So A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 99, where A is 12, n we have to find out, D value 3 equal to 99. 12 goes that side, it will become minus 12. N minus 1 into 3 equal to 99 minus 12, which is equal to 87. Which is equal to 87. N minus 1 equal to this 3 will go down, 87 by 3. N minus 1 equal to 3 2 times 6, 3, 9, 10, 27. 27. Or n equal to, 29. Or n equal to 1 go that minus 1 will go that side. 29 plus 1 equal to 30. So same this method only we have to follow. But here they have counted from 3. That's why they have got 3 extra. 3, 6, 9. So below 100. Below 100, how many numbers are divisible by 3 means 33. But how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3 means 30. So C option is the correct answer. Okay, children. Level 2 questions we can discuss in our next video. That's all for today, children. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. You can also visit our website, children, www.aimstudio.in, for information regarding previous online classes, quizzes, worksheets, activities, English classes, coding skills. Thank you, children. Have a good day.